We've all been down this bumpy road before, but some of us, well, we feel a little differently about it. That's because we live in a world with special care and fast-track repairs with the Hyundai Approved Repairer Program, or as those in the know like to call it, HARP. HARP is a complimentary service for all Hyundai drivers, your trusted partner that ensures your Hyundai stays a Hyundai. Because HARP Approved Repairers make sure only trained technicians work on your car, using the latest technology and only genuine parts. This keeps the quality, safety, and resale value of your vehicle intact. Plus, friendly HARP agents will keep you updated on your car's progress. HARP makes repairs simple, easy, and quick. Repair stress melts away because when life happens, all you need to do is follow these easy steps. First, call your insurance and then simply call HARP's dedicated hotline. They'll suggest a service center that can help. When your beloved Hyundai arrives at a HARP-approved service center, they'll get to work on repairing your car. Next, it's all about getting your car back in tip-top condition. The HARP-approved service center will repair your car speedily and professionally to get you back on the road in no time. They'll use only Hyundai genuine parts, of course, because they've been quality tested for your vehicle. And while this is happening, you can kick back and relax. HARP will keep you in the loop with regular updates. And presto, it's all done. You'll get your car back and it'll look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Plus, your all-important warranty and service plan is still intact. HARP, the easy, reliable, and efficient way to get you back on the road safely and with confidence. So when life happens, now you know what to do. Call or email HARP. They've got you covered. That's HARP, you know. The Hyundai Approved Repairer Program. Care and convenience.